how to manually add or remove users in your course page. There are several possible uses of manual enrollment. Sometimes you have to unenroll former students in your course page, especially if you want to recycle an existing course page and you would like to start fresh, meaning all of your former students out of your course page. There are also cases where students would like to have access to your class, say they are sitting in. So how do you add the students to your course page if you give them permission to enter your class? And how do you add teachers as well? These are the content of this video presentation, how to manually add or remove users in your course page. So first step, you have to go to your course page. Once you are in your course page, the next step is to click Administration. Under Course Administration, you will see Users. So open that option by clicking this triangle button here. And then you will see Enrolled Users. Okay, so that's the first part of the process. Go to Enrolled Users. So in this demonstration, I don't have any enrolled users yet in my class. So if I would like to manually add a user to this classroom, I simply have to click Enroll Users here. So just click Enroll Users. And then simply type the name or the email address of the user that you would like to add. Now under Select Users. So for instance, I would like to add Isko Matalino. I'll just type here Isko Matalino. And then click the student, the user you would like to add. There you go. So if the name is too common, you can't find, you're not sure, you may use the profile email of the user. So type the email of the user, say learner2. This is Iska Matapang's email address. There you go. You can also add via email address. So there. So you have to do this one at a time. So manual enrollment. So once you've selected all of the users you would like to add, just click Enroll Selected Users and or cohorts. The effect will be instantaneous. Make sure you've selected the right role. So for this case, Iska Matapang, Isko Matalino are assigned to the student role. Similarly, if you would like to unenroll students, so for instance, you would like to unenroll Iska Matapang or Isko Matalino, just click the X button. You'll see for each user, so that's the unenroll button. Or you may also unenroll multiple users at the same time. You'll see here a checkbox. Just check all the users you would like to unenroll. And then there's a drop-down list box at the bottom part of the page. Click that and you have their option to delete selected user enrollments. And that's equivalent to unenrolling them. Okay, so to unenroll, just click Unenrolled Users. That's it. So that's how you can manually add or manually remove users in your course page. That's the end of this video demonstration. If you have questions, just open a ticket at UP Diliman helpdesk. Visit helpdesk.ilc.upd.edu.ph. Upgrade to interactive.